Hey guys, my name's Chelsea and today I want to share with you this eRapta backup camera I got. Super great product if you are looking for a backup camera and maybe you don't have one installed on the vehicle that you drive like us. So we are installing this just for ease of mind for backing up to trailers or your boat or things like that. This is going to be really helpful tool for you. Comes in this nice box, and inside that box you have your nice bracket that this is just going to install onto your license plate. So it's a super easy two-step installation process. You have your camera here, and what's so great is you have a charging place on the back where you can charge it up. So that's a really awesome feature that you don't have to worry about wires. It's wireless, making it a super easy process for you. Alright, so it just comes with this nice piece that you are just going to screw and install it onto your license plate, and I'll get to that in a second. Inside of here we have all the features and the pieces you need. We have our nice cord, and this cord is able to charge your device here, or it's able to plug into your screen, and this is your screen that you're going to look at and you're going to see inside of your vehicle on exactly what to do. It's going to have different settings for you, which is fantastic. And you're just put this right in the side here, plug this into your charging outlet, and what's nice about this is it has an extra one too, so if you'd like to charge your phone at the same time, you're able to do that. Comes with everything else you need in here. We have our nice little rubber caps that you are going to place in there when you're done, some other pieces that you might need, and this nice little screwdriver to take a look at your charger on the back. You are able to just unscrew it and you're good to go. So it comes with everything that you need, which is awesome. I am gonna get this installed and then show you how great it is. So I love how quick this process is. I love that there's no wires and I can just mount it super quick and easy. Have my screwdriver here and I can just quickly turn it. The hardware is very heavy duty. Have that side in, onto the next. And it's as easy as that. So love that there's no wires, like I said. Nice and secure here. Quick process. Now it's on there really secure. I can't move it around. And now I'm gonna go show you on our mount how great and how clear this product is. This bracket is super easy and convenient to use. It has a nice magnetic head that's super magnetic. So as you can see here, we have our spot on the back, and it's gonna just magnet nice and close, giving you that nice secure fit. So if you're hitting a bump or it's a bumpy road, you don't have to worry about this flying off the dash. It has that nice strong magnet. And it's super easy to install. All you're going to want to do is make sure this tab is up. You can place it onto the area that you want it. If you want it on your dash or on your windshield, you can do either. And then you're just going to place this down. So now that's nice and secure. It's not going anywhere. And if you want to add this onto here, super simple. And now I have that, and I can tilt it around, move it if I'd like. So that's kind of the area that I'd like it. And then I have the cord plugged into my USB, which is very awesome. I'm gonna get this turned on and show you how great and good quality this product is. So as you can see, we're backing up to our trailer right now. It's so handy to have this tool. Love that it has that option. And as you can see, the quality is so great. It's very nice HD quality, crisp and clear. So love this product, easy to use. I have to say that eRapta is really dedicated to product development and has designed their products from the customer's point of view. And I think that's why their brand is becoming more and more popular. I have to say that eRapta is very dedicated in their development, giving them dedication to the customers from their point of view. That's why I believe that eRapta is one of the most popular brands on the market. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.